Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Lisa's Food Addiction, you guys, we are making Chinese style sugar biscuits, y'all. You may know them as sugar donuts, and you can find these babies on almost every Chinese buffet, and that's right, we are making them right at home, okay? These Chinese style sugar biscuits are soft, pillowy biscuit dough that's fried until crisp on the outside and tossed in sugar. Okay? There's nothing like takeout at home. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join our growing foodie family. You don't want to miss out on all the cooking we're going to be doing, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, you guys, the post notification bell so you don't miss a video. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. So y'all, this recipe is very easy, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is grab our biscuits. Yes, we are using Pillsbury biscuits for this recipe, which makes this so easy, you guys. I am using the butter tasting Southern Homestyle biscuits because y'all know I'm a Southern gal, so if it says butter flavored honey, I'm definitely using that one, okay? So we're just going to pop these out of the container, and you guys can see how thick these biscuits are, okay? Thicker than a Snicker, all right? These store-bought biscuits are so delicious, you guys, and once we have them out, we're just going to cut these in half. I'm using my kitchen scissors here to cut these right down the middle, and we're just going to fold it back together here, just like that. Make a nice little circle. Once you have cut all of your biscuits, they should look like this right here, and we're going to fill up our deep fryer with oil. Today I am using vegetable oil, but you guys can use peanut oil as well. We're going to heat up this oil between 300 and 325 degrees. You don't want this oil too hot because, child, your biscuits will burn, okay? And trust me when I say that is not what we're trying to do. We don't want no black biscuits, right? So 300 degrees to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can cook these on the stove as well. It's the same thing, okay? Alright, y'all, so we have our biscuits cut out. Our oil is getting nice and hot. We're going to grab a fork and use it to poke holes into our biscuits, just like this right here. And this step, you guys, is only going to ensure that our biscuits are cooked fully once we place them in the oil, okay, child? Ain't nobody trying to have no raw biscuit dough. That is not what we're trying to do. Once that is complete, we're going to start dropping our biscuits into this hot oil, you guys, and we're going to keep flipping them just like this. So these are going to fry for about 6 to 8 minutes. You just want to make sure that you are continuously flipping them as they fry so they become nice and golden all over, honey. Once they are done, they're gonna look just like this right here, all nice and brown, y'all. We're gonna drain these a bit on some paper towel and place them directly in the sugar. We love sugar. We are using white sugar, you guys, simple white sugar. Cover the biscuits completely, and we're just gonna repeat the process, y'all. Fry the biscuits, flip them, dust them in the sugar, and repeat. Super simple. And once we are done frying, we are going to grab a serving plate just like I have right here, y'all, and stack these delicious sweet Chinese style sugar biscuits. Y'all, we did that. Something super simple and delicious, and personally one of my favorite takeout items made right in your own kitchen, okay? Your family will love this recipe. Don't forget, you guys, all ingredients will be listed below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video and you want to cook with us, it's easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to join our growing foodie family. Subscribe for more fun food and delicious recipes, okay? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you are here. How else will I know that you guys are watching? If you're not liking, you're not commenting, you're not subscribing, I want to know that you guys are here, okay? Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried sugar biscuits before, or will this be your first time? We shall see. Let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.